Student, last lecture we have studied social communication, under which letter of congratulation, reply to such a letter of congratulation, letter of invitation, then letter of acceptance, letter of regret, and today we are going to study letter of thanks. Suppose someone has given or rendered a service or participated as a guest in the program organized by you, and then it is essential as a code of conduct or a courtesy that requires a thank you letter should be sent immediately after the event. Suppose you are general secretary and you have arranged one program, you have invited one guest has given guidance or the file lecture for students, and it is essential to write a letter of thanks to that the guest. Here is one model regarding letter of thanks. See here, dear Dr. Thakur, I write on behalf of Vimal Enterprises, Mumbai, to express our sincere thanks or appreciation of your time and trouble in participating in our workshop on challenges before Superpower India on last Friday. Miss, you have organized one workshop. Miss, as here Sri M.A. Patil, who is the coordinator of that workshop, he is writing a letter of appreciation or letter of thanks to that the Thakur who has given a fine lecture and rendered his time and his service to you. And so that Mr. Patil is going to write a letter of appreciation to Dr. Thakur. How he writes? कुणाच्या वतीनं ते पत्र लिहित आहेत? विमल एंटरप्राइजेस मुंबई. Why? Because that the Vimal Enterprise Mumbai has organized workshop on challenges before Superpower India on last Friday. म्हणजे गेल्या आठवड्यामध्ये की जे काही चॅलेंजेस बिफोर सुपर पॉवर इंडिया त्याच्याबद्दल जी काही आव्हाने आहेत, भारतापुढील जी काही आव्हानं आहेत त्याच्याबद्दल आपल्याला ते एक वर्कशॉप जे आहे वर्कशॉपसाठी पाहुणे होते आणि त्यांनी ते लेक्चर दिलेलं आहे. द फॅक्ट दॅट यू हॅव चेंज्ड युअर other appointments to be with us and speaks highly of your commitment to the education and training of young people. म्हणजे तुमच्या दुसऱ्या कार्यक्रम असताना देखील दुसऱ्या अपॉइंटमेंट असताना देखील की तुम्ही त्या काय केले आहेत, तुम्ही त्या कॅन्सल करून आमच्यासाठी वेळ दिलेला आहे. आमच्या मुलांना किंवा यंग पीपल ही जनरेशन आहे त्यांच्यासाठी तुमची जी कमिटमेंट आहे ही कमिटमेंट तुम्ही पाळलेली आहे. वी डू होप यू विल ऑनर अस विथ युअर प्रेझेन्स अगेन ॲट अ सिमिलर प्रोग्राम. वी होप दॅट यू विल help us or participate in our organization or in our function for next event, and I hope you will also honor us by giving the guidance or by giving the lectures. With the best regards, yours sincerely, Sri M.A. Patil, coordinator. Okay? This is the letter of thanks. Then here letter of ॲप्रिशिएशन. सी हिअर, म्हणजे या ठिकाणी लेटर ऑफ ॲप्रिशिएशन जे आहे, दॅट इज वन वी हॅव टू स्टडी अबाउट दॅट. ओके, 1 minute, there is problem. Okay, here letter of appreciation. Everyone likes to receive a letter of appreciation, and such letter would do a great deal with a spirit of understanding. Letters of appreciation should be written with genuine and sincere feelings, and such letter is like a letter of thanks. Thank you letter, we can say. Here, who has written letter? Actually, R.Y. Shinde, the manager for Mohiते Textiles, and he has written this letter on his letter pad. Letter pad of Mohiते Textile. Letter is written on the 5th December 2016. Dear Mr. Shastri, thank you very much for the excellent exposition of the subject of a training the office people during the 15-day course you give. म्हणजे 15 दिवस चा जो कोर्स आहे, त्या कोर्समध्ये आमच्या कंपनीतील लोकांना तुम्ही जे काही ट्रेनिंगसाठी जे काही लेक्चर दिलं, तुमचं ज्ञान जे आहे ते दिलं, त्याबद्दल तुमचे आभार. We have gained much that you will be useful to us in our career. Above all, we appreciate the patience and the skill with which you ensured that each participant went through some practical experience. See, means what kind of language is used here? Yes, we can see here. We can read also here. We once again highly appreciate for your professional services and the good will you have earned for our organization. Among the things you carry back with us is the remembrance of your interesting and informative lectures. We look forward to meeting you soon. With warm regards, yours sincerely, R.Y. Shinde, manager for Mohité Textiles. Means such letters means actually Mr. Shastri has given his knowledge, lecture, okay, to the people who work in the Mohité Textile company, and that is, see here, that is highly appreciated by the people. People gained much from that, and he has given that, the Mr. Shastri has given also the practical experiences through that, and so that letter is written for that, means letter of thanks and letter of appreciation. Okay, then here letter of condolence and letter of sympathy. आता समाजामध्ये काही अशा घटना घडतात आणि त्या ठिकाणी आपल्याला जावं लागतं, त्या लोकांच्या विषयी सहानुभूती व्यक्त करावी लागते, त्या लोकांच्या विषयी सांत्वन आपल्याला व्यक्त करावं लागतं, आणि अशासाठी काही पत्रव्यवहार आपल्याला करावा लागतो. तो कसा करायचा? मीन्स ॲक्च्युली सच लेटर्स आर व्हेरी सेन्सिटिव्ह. Letter of condolence express one sympathy with the relatives of the deceased, means if or someone is no more, is dead, and it is essential to write or to express our condolences for them. These letters are to be written soon after a misfortune of any kind or the sad news of the death of a person. म्हणजे तुम्हाला माहिती, एखादी घटना, अघटित घटना घडलेली आहे किंवा एखाद्यांचा मृत्यू झालेला आहे, त्यावेळेला लगेच अशा प्रकारचा पत्रव्यवहार करावा लागतो. बट द इम्पॉर्टंट पॉईंट्स फॉर सच काइंड लेटर्स, व्हेन यू आर गोइंग टू राईट लेटर ऑफ द कंडोलन्सेस, दॅट लँग्वेज विच यू यूज or the sentences which use that or the letters which you write should be short and simple. Language should be simple and letter should be short. It may include a suitable tribute म्हणजे नजराना आपण त्याला आपण श्रद्धांजली वगैरे वाहतो म्हणतो आपण. A few words of praise of the particular person whose death has occurred, who is no more. आणि जो मनुष्य आपल्यामधून निघून गेलेला आहे त्याच्याबद्दल आपल्याला काही शब्द व्यक्त करावे लागतील. It is addressed to an employee or to another businessman or another associate. आणि मग बिझनेस कम्युनिटीमध्ये आपल्याला काय करावं लागतं की आपला एखादा कामगार असेल, कामगाराचा घरातील एखादी व्यक्ती किंवा कामगार तर मृत्यू झाला असेल किंवा आपला बिझनेस असोसिएट असेल, अशासाठी आपल्याला तो पत्रव्यवहार करावा लागतो. आणि दॅट इज वन मॉडेल एस विच इज गिवन हिअर. डिअर श्रीमती खंडेलवाल, ओके, सी हिअर. It is with a great grief and shock. See the beginning, how it is done. It is with a great grief and shock that I learned about the passing away of your husband. Miss Srimati Khandelwal has lost her husband, so that letter is written by Shantanu Datta. We know that he had been lying for some time, but none could imagine that he would suddenly leave for heavenly abode. Means we knew information. He has been admitted to the hospital, but he was not serious. But suddenly he gone. Or suddenly we could not imagine he would suddenly leave. We could not believe it. My feelings of grief and anguish are shared by my colleagues and all those who knew him. They join me in conveying to you our heartfelt condolences. We pray to God. हे आम्ही एकत्रितरित्या ह्या भावना ज्या आहेत आम्ही व्यक्त करत आहोत. आम्ही देवाची प्रार्थना करतो आहे. वी प्रे टू गॉड टू ग्रांट यू फॉर्च्यूट्यूड टू बिअर द इररिपेरेबल लॉस. म्हणजे इररिपेरेबल लॉस म्हणजे जो मीन्स द लॉस that cannot be felt. We can't imagine about that the loss. Please accept our deepest sympathies for the death of a fine man. May God rest his soul in peace. May God rest his departed soul in peace. I am here enclosing a copy of condolence resolution passed by the employees union of the company. With the great regards, yours sincerely, that the name of the authority. Suppose you received such kind of letter and it is essential, means a heartfelt condolences are expressed by the employer or the master, and it is essential to give the reply. How it is reply given? Dear Sri Datta, thank you for your letter of conveying your sympathy at the loss of my husband. It's very simple language. It gives me some comfort to know that so many of you share my grief and stand by me and my family in this hour of sorrows. With kind of regards. म्हणजे तुम्ही ज्या भावना व्यक्त केल्या माझे पती गेल्यानंतर त्याबद्दल मी आभारी आहे. तुम्ही माझ्या दुःखामध्ये सामील आहात. तुम्ही माझ्या सोबत राहिलात, माझ्या कुटुंबाच्या दुःखाबद्दल सोबत राहिलात, त्यामुळे मला धैर्य प्राप्त झालेलं आहे. विथ काइंड रिगार्ड्स, युअर सिन्सिअरली. दॅट्स सी हिअर लेटर ऑफ सिम्पथी. डिअर मिस्टर डी सुजा, I was very sorry to learn that you had to be hospitalized yesterday. I do hope that you will be feeling better by the time you get this note. म्हणजे suppose your friend has been admitted. At that time, it is essential to express your feelings about his betterment. An active person like you will be impatient to get back to the normal activity, but I am sure that you will also realize the importance of complete rest until you get back your strength. Accept my best wishes for your speedy recovery. We are all with you in this hour of need. With kind regards. Means, see, as per a subject, we can change the language. Means, we know that how the language is used for the letter of condolences, then the letter of the sympathy. Means, we have studied different kind of letters here. Means here how the questions are asked, but for this semester we have to face the multiple choice questions. But descriptive questions, how they are given here. The chief accountant of your firm lost his son in the accident. Yes, suppose one person is working as chief accountant in your company and he has lost his son as in the accident, and it is essential as a manager or as the owner of that company to write a letter of condolences to that particular person. Same, a senior salesman of your company has had a bad accident at Sangli while on a sale visit. He has been hospitalized there. So we have to write the letter of the sympathy. Then suppose someone has got the promotion, how to write a letter of congratulation. Then announcing expansion of the business and opening a new branch is how to write a letter of circular. Suppose you are going to celebrating the 10th anniversary of your company, write a letter of invitation to your customers, inviting to attend the dinner party. This, what kind of questions would be asked? Yes, sir. The examination. Means by this way, yes, we have completed this unit. Next lecture, we will begin with the another new unit. Thank you. Thank you very much.